Good day, people. This is your boy Eduardo Agbo and welcome to Design Genius. On today's tutorial, we are going to redesign this prototype. That is the Pbhev, that's the Pbhev Higher Educational Vision laptop that was given to the Cameroonian students. So we are going to redesign it using SolidWorks, which is a 3D modeling software. That's the computer aided design software and a computer aided engineering software. Without any much ado, we are going to open the SolidWorks interface. I'm using SolidWorks 2017. So our structure has already been drawn. What we are going to do is we are going to carry out assemblies. We are going to also carry out analysis. That is, we are going to carry out render services and photo 360 view. So what you're going to learn here today is photo 360 and the use of rendering tools, and also a bit of assembly. So stay tuned. Don't forget, you're on Design Genius, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you're thinking. So here's my structure. I already drew this diagram and I already have this diagram here. So if you need this structure or you need to download this, please just comment on the comment section. I'm going to send a link and you're also going to download this, and you can carry out your experiment or modify the system as you want. Now, without wasting much time, what we're going to do is that we are going to look at the screen, and the keyboard is different. So we are going to rapidly go to move component. We are going to take rotate component and we are going to rotate. So if you observe with me, this was the first component that is placed here, meaning that this component is fixed. F here stands for fixed, minus is floating, so we are going to go to float our object, and obviously we are going to be able to rotate our object. So we are going to rotate this part and carry out a simple assembly. So without much ado, we are going to click on this surface. We are going to take mate and we are going to make this surface to this surface. With that done, we are going to take little circle here, and that is done. Now if you observe, you're going to discover that here at this same point we have almost the same thing here and here. That's to say that the geometry was well calculated in such a way that when the feet here is okay, the feet that is going to be here, it's okay. Now we are going to pass on to phase 2, that is using colors. Here I want our structure all to be in white. So for our structure to be in white, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, let's say painted. I'm going to take cars. Let me see. Okay, I got white here, so I'm going to take white color everywhere. So for the screen, I'm going to take white. I'm going to do the same here at this level. I'm going to take white for the keyboard center. Now if you observe my structure, you're going to discover that everything is white. Now we are going to compare our model that has been assembled to the model of the Pbhev to see if we have certain differences. Now here's the Pbhev. We have white, we have a black screen, we have a camera over there, we have the keyboard, we have the mouse, and let's say we have a USB entry here, we have an entry for memory card. So let's observe our structure. Actually we have the same thing. Yes, we have the camera, we have the screen, of course we have the camera, we have the keyboard, a different button. So it's almost the same thing. Now observe here, we're going to discover that here we have a little bit of a different type of geometry closer to the keyboard. So observe with Pbhev, we're going to discover that here it's almost the same thing. So if you have a Pbhev in the house, you can confirm what I'm saying. Now without much ado, we are going to put the different colors. Now our screen is black, so for us to make our screen to be black, we are going to choose colors. Now at this level of the screen, we want the screen to be black, so I'm going to take the screen over here. I'm going to take black here. I'm going to take the screen to be black. Now we don't want all this part to be black, so if you don't want all this part to be black, for us to avoid this problem, this is how we are going to solve the problem. We are just going to choose this surface, take the color, appearance. Yes, we want just our screen to have this. What we are going to do, we are going to choose this surface, take the color here and say no, we don't want this. Choose the surface, take the color, and we are going to make it black. And we are going to observe that the screen is black, and here we also have white spots. That's our aim, and our objective has been attained. Here for the camera, we're going to do the same thing for the camera. Now SolidWorks has a possibility of copying and pasting color, so I could come here. I say okay, here I want to copy the appearance. Here I wish to paste the appearance, so nope, I'm going to select here appearance, I'm going to select, and I'm also going to make it black. So you can observe here that for the spot for the camera, we have something black. Now our structure is already fixed. Same thing for the mouse. The mouse is black, if not making a mistake, so we're going to put black color. Don't forget, we are talking about redesigning, meaning drawing, modifying the form, the colors, and the type of technology that we have on our baby. So we are going to take black, and at this point we're going to take black also, make it black. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to insert the Pbhev. Now to insert the logo or make the back part of our computer to have the Pbhev logo, what we're going to do is we're going to go here, we are going to go to the car logo, and we are going to take the car logo. So rapidly I'm going to browse to the file where I have my logo, that's a render, and I'm going to get this. I'm going to choose the surface, and immediately after choosing the surface, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to arrange this man so that my Pbhev will be well placed. And with that, I am done. Now I'm going to do the same for the bottom part. To do it, I'm going to just rotate, go to appearance, I'm going to take the car logo, and I'm going to browse to the area where I have the file, that is the rendered. I'm going to choose the lower back. Now I'm just going to click on this surface. Now if you observe, you discover that the image is inverse, so I'm just going to rotate it. I'm going to rotate it to fit my description. So after that is done, you are going to discover that here below I have my Pbhev, and my objective has been attained. It's the same procedure. We are going to rotate until our keyboard is well fitted. For we're going to have the keyboard, and there we have our keyboard that is already inserted in our structure. Good. With this done, we are going to carry out render analysis. As render 2, we are going to carry out final render to see how our object is going to behave and how it's going to be. The object of carrying out rendering here is to see how our object is going to act or behave in a real life situation. That is, enjoy. Now you can see how the rendering process is taking place and is undergoing. You can see how the rendering is progressing, and we can see how our drawing or our laptop has become photorealistic, beautiful, and good to see. That's the importance of rendering our structure or our design. And there we go, our structure is almost complete. I would like you to compare our design to our reference, which is the Pbhev. So here is an image of the Pbhev. I'm going to put it alongside. So here is the Pbhev here, and this is our own design that we have redesigned it. And you're going to observe that this is the same, but for the difference of the white, this is pure white, and this is the color that we know. Now here I've decided to make the mouse white and not black. So shout out to 4G Mega 4G Engineering. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is your boy Eduardo Agbo. Please subscribe, leave a comment on the comment box. If you need the design, I'll send a link for you to download. Leave a comment, let me know what you're thinking. Until next, bye. Please guys, subscribe.